hands on your knees, side to side, Qigong. But I'm about to show you a couple of Qigong exercises to open up your heart, open up your lungs, and allow you to be. Open up your heart, open up your lungs, and allow you to be free. So if you're going through anxiety, this is a good way to be free. And I'm about to show you how to do that, okay? And I'm about to show you a couple of exercises that I just learned by my mentor, from my mentor, Dr. George Xavier Love, this weekend at his retreat. He has his retreats about every 3 to 4 months, so you got to go to the next one. But these are some series that I actually didn't learn 2 years ago. I just learned them, which, you know, there's some things I already knew, just different modifications of it. And we're just gonna do them today, man. So by all means, let's get straight to it. Okay, so what I normally like to do is, see, I got a cracked iPhone screen. What I normally like to do is I like to go to YouTube, which is where this video is probably gonna be at. So this is an inception. You're watching a YouTube video, I'm actually going on YouTube and I'm showing you another YouTube video. Isn't it like Inception? You ever seen that movie? Okay, so I put here, I go on YouTube. Let me make sure you can see it. Okay, you can't see my screen. But I go on YouTube, basically I type in, I like to put Tai Chi meditation music. So I put Tai Chi meditation music. Now you don't want to do this with frequency around you, but I do it anyways. Or you can use a speaker. I know I'm not supposed to use the headphones, but I just like it because it puts me in my zone. But all that frequency while you're meditating is not good for you. But anyhow, I'm about to show you some Qigong. See, even when I'm doing my Qigong, I want music. Sometimes I listen to the music of nature, but a lot of times I just like to listen to sounds of birds from YouTube, in addition to the other birds and stuff. But that took way too long, right? All I'm trying to show you right now is some Tai Chi Qigong exercises. I won't do any explanation of what these exercises are for. I'm just gonna do them, tag along, and then on the next video I'm gonna tell you more about what they're for, okay? So this exercise opens up the lungs so you can breathe out of grief and anxiety. So let's pretend that you're gonna be a swimmer today, and you're swimming from side to side pretty much. Okay, so you're a swimmer and you're swimming side to side, swimming. See that? You're just swimming. I like to do the motion where I bring this in and I bring it out. So as you can see, when I'm here, the back of my hand's coming together and I'm twisting, going the other way. Now I'm gonna quiet down. I'm just gonna do it. Follow along, okay? You gotta do this. When you do this, you gotta have a smile on your face. Otherwise, don't do it. Nah, I'm just kidding. You can still do it. Alright, so you want to almost like, it's like you're bending your knees and you're picking up something on the side and bringing it forward up. It's like you're bringing your knees, you're bending your knees, you're picking up earthly chi and bringing the earthly chi up. So as you go up, you want to feel that energy. Everything is done so smooth and intricately, so that you can feel the energy. Right? Bring it up. So the reason why I'm not giving the explanations, I learned this weekend. Right? Well, these 3 exercises, I'm showing them to you. But the next time I do them, I'm going to show you the actual explanations. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. So as you can see, this is almost like a 2-step exercise I just did. So I'm looking at, both palms are going down here, right? So I have 2 palms joining together at one side. My feet are close together, my knees are bent. 2 palms joining together at the fingertips. As I twist the palm, as I twist my hand up and around towards the other side of my body, the other hand that's below trails along, and this hand causes my feet to separate and go to the other side. So as I'm going to the other side, I bring the feet now together and I bend my knees again. Now switching direction, still looking at the hand, and then now stepping to the side, stepping over, and then switching eye coordination to the other arm, and then now going up, stopping without moving my legs now, because what we're trying to do is try to balance out both sides. So now I'm going to look at the other hand, go with the step over, let the hand turn along. Now go the opposite way, step over, then now turn in the same place. Place the hand down, look at the opposite hand, step over, bring the other foot to follow, do it with the other arm, step over, and you just turn. And stop, then step, then step, then stop and turn. And that's how you do Qigong, ladies and gentlemen. Just showed you those 3 exercises I learned this weekend at a Qigong retreat by my mentor, Dr. George Xavier Love. Just wanted to share them with you because I thought they were amazing, calming, peaceful, opening up the lungs, bringing up earthly chi, and circulating the energy. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you what these are for. Just try them out, let me know what you think, and come on next week for another video telling you exactly what those 3 exercises were all about. And if you have no idea what Qigong is, on the next video, I'll also tell you more about what that is. So stay on the lookout. I hope to see you on the next video.